Hi, I am your coach Steven, and in this video, I am going to explain you manager's dashboard. And let's start. This is the login page of T3. I am logging in as manager now, so that I can show you about the manager's dashboard and other screens. Mostly you will see employee dashboard here. But now this page is set up as manager dashboard as a default. If you do not see this screen, then you can access it from self-service menu. Then click on manager dashboard. Let's start from the first section where we can see 24 in my organization and 2 in dotted line reports. Now by pressing this icon you can view all your team here. And you can search any employee by his name or position from here. And by pressing this button, you can view your team in the hierarchy view. Here you can see hierarchy of employees. If you click here, then it will show his team members in a level format. And if you click on any employee, then on the right side you can see the information of the employee, like name, email, key skills updated by him, and also professional experience. Now let's close this window. This is the graph to show your team count according to the position. Like you have 2 senior accountant and 1 data analyst, and so on. And in the next section, you can see the number of pending leave requests from your team, which will be approved from this section. And here is the count of exception requested for approval, which you can approve or reject from this tab. And here you can see the total number of pending timesheet request of your team, which will be actioned from the approved timesheets screen. By pressing on this icon you will see timecard waiting approval pop-up window. And here you can see the list of all pending timesheet in the table. Here you can see employee name, segment type, segment name, timecard period, start date and end date. Now let's close this window. And here is the count of employees' contract expiring in 45 days. By pressing on this icon you will see contract expiring pop-up window. And here you will see the employee name, position, contract type and expiring date. And in this section you will see your direct report team details, like total number of direct report. And this graph show count of different employment type. As you can see 17 employees are in fixed term and 4 is in open-ended here. And on the right side of it, you can see the list of your all direct report team. This is leave request section, where you will get all leave request applied by your team. Here you can see due date, employee name, leave name, and in description you will see number of leave days and start date of the leave. And by pressing this 3-line button you can see more information about the request, like employee detail, and below that you can see type of leave, from date to date, leave balance, leave quantity, and comment given by employee. And then you can approve the leave request by pressing on approve button, and you can reject the leave request by pressing on reject button. If you reject the leave, then you have to give rejection reason on the system why you want to reject the leave. Now let's close this window. Now let's move to the next tab. Here you will see the future exception requested by employee for their timesheet. And here is request number, employee name, adjustment type which you can consider as exception type, and start date, end date. Then you have 2 buttons to action on the request. Red cross button is to reject the request and green check button to approve the request. Once you press it, it will action immediately. You can download this table in Excel sheet by pressing this icon, and you can refresh this list by pressing this icon. And in this section you will see the graph of skills available in your team. By pointing the cursor on the graph you can see the skill name and the number of employee having this skill. Like this. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.